Okay, so this one is a very kind of graphic look, very modern with the pasta kind of outlined. And this, the way these graphics are, they can be scaled up to any size. They can be used in many different ways. And this take is really like focusing on the sort of the humor behind it. So
Uh-huh.
I'll just read you some of it. Pen it for your thoughts. If you were pasta, you'd be capellini because you're so fine. Less upsetty, more spaghetti. Eat pasta,
Oh, how
run
cute.
pasta. It's fun, right? Okay, so here are some ideas for what the sticker could look like on the
Oh,
packaging.
oh,
So
how fun.
yeah,
This is so nice to
you
just
like
see somebody
that?
else thinking.
Yeah.
I love it.
I had fun with this. Yeah, I really did. So I want to thank you for this opportunity. It's been great. So this one says life is a combination of magic and pasta. And then again, it has some of the funny captions that we saw on the mood board. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so moving on to the next one. This is what the website banners could look like. So again, the two different
Oh,
styles. Again, graphically, what you might have a preference, more finer looking pastas or more thicker. And then it has a learn more button. So if this is on your website, then they can click through and then you'll have this on maybe the section of your
okay.
website where you have the. So here is another idea,
Oh,
like more kind of minimalist, right? Like with the
mhm.
graphic and a completely different logo, still has the tomato, but it has more of like an old school font and yeah. So I
Yeah,
love
I
it.
think it just, yeah, it's
And
got
that's
its own
good.
personality, which is great. Where
Yeah.
this is fine, but it's not, I like the other one better.
Yeah, it's more exciting,
Yeah,
and the humor evokes a feeling, and that's what we want.
right,
That's what makes it memorable,
exactly.
right? It's a fun thing to do. It's supposed to be, right? It's an experience. And so here's a kind of classic
Oh,
take on catering and food, and
uh-huh.
I also use the word fresca, which means fresh in Italian. If
Mhm.
you were looking to include a different name, or if you wanted to highlight the fresh
Uh-oh.
aspect. Okay, so let me show you how it would look in the different applications. So this is an idea for what the sticker could look like.
And I like that you say brought to you by Taste and Company,
Oh,
or,
good. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
something
right.
like
So
that.
that's
Yeah,
yeah, okay.
exactly. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So this would be the website banner. So there's two
uh-huh.
different looks. So again, they would click to learn more, and then the other design if you like that first one better. That's the thing. Like we
We'll
get
see.
to kind of combine and pick the elements that you like.
That's fine. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So this one is like the whole
Oh,
natural aspect because you mentioned about being environmentally friendly and
right.
sustainable. And so that even that image itself.
I like that concept too. I
Yeah,
like
like
that.
where it's really just to show you like what the look and
Oh,
feel of the
okay.
brand
Got it.
is.
All right.
And then
Okay.
yeah, and then I'm going to show you like the next part is how it would be applied in the different sticker would look like. Yeah, where I put the color palette in, just I want to show you kind of an overall look of what the brand could feel like and look like. And then yeah, then I wanted to show you the actual application of it.
Okay.
This is what this is how we kind of co-create together, and everything here, it's like all movable. You can change
Oh, wow. All
fonts,
right.
we can
Got it.
make anything custom. So maybe if you liked, let's as an example, like I don't know if you like this,
Well, I
you
like
can
the
incorporate
idea. I
it.
like the idea of showing the elements that you need. It's only two
Yeah,
things.
tomato would look
Oh,
best. Like it could go under here, or
I love how you just move all this stuff around.
like that's zip one. Okay, good. I like these. And I love doing it like with with clients because then they get to see it and they can tell me move it this way, that way, and I'm happy to do it. Everyone gets to see what's possible. Okay. Well, looking good. This,
Just amazing how this all is just so easy.
yeah. Once you have pull all the elements together, then it's just really a matter of playing around and rearranging and getting it just right. And I like to do this because sometimes like you spend time going back and forth on email. Does this look right? I wanted it this way. I didn't have this in my
No,
mind, but it feels like you have more say in it, right? Yeah, I kind of do
I think
like
this
that.
looks good. I think this looks great. I can't wait to see it printed.
Yeah.